What's that?
So one of the back lights isn't working. So the filament hasn't gone. But the contacts are all quite rusty. Okay, and in here as well. So I've got my petrol generator, which I'm going to start up, and then use my Dremel to clean all the contacts up, and hopefully it will start working. So that's like a visit to the dentist's. Have the plaque removed. So get the light bulb back in, hopefully. That way round. No, that way round. Twist it so he's in. And then get him back in. Right, that's now in. Right. And then put the lights on. Right. Have we got 2 red light bulbs down at the bottom? Yes! And this one's not working now. Let's get the engine on. He's not working now. So this bulb stopped working when we changed the other one. But as you can see, it's very corroded here. So what we'll do is we'll use the dentist Dremel . Where is it? The bulb? Right. Well, don't put the
I'm doing
park, put it in park.
it. Is.
Turn the key. Turn the key.
I have.
Start the engine. Right. Headlights on. Right, let's have a look. No, not working. So now we've got the rear lights working. So we've gone from 4 malfunctions down to 2. That Dremel cleaned up those bad poor contacts and now they're working. So the rear running lights are working. So the only 2 malfunctions we've got is a coolant, which might be a dirty sensor, but I've got some spare coolant. We'll drop that when we've got some time and then refill it up. Also got some stop leak just in case. And the other problem is this side indicator isn't working, but the bulbs work, but it's just a bad connection with the wire. So I've got some solder, got some spare wire, so hopefully when I get a bit of time I'll solder that up and that will work, and then we'll be down to 0 malfunctions. Stay tuned by clicking the like and subscribe button and follow this playlist.